Oh, I record. Yes. Why? Why are you like that? What the fuck? Bro, I think I'm a noob. Wala, dikit na rin makabre. We'll go toss. Okay. I was just joking him. I will joke him. I'm a noob. Let's go. What's her username? I don't know what is her username. I will be a noob. Oh, Jai4. Jakey, where are you? Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god, Shilak! Shilak that. Let's go to bed. Come on, baby. Hi. Hi, I'm a noob. Where is he, bro? Hi. Oh. I recorded. Nah, I think I'll pass. Let's go. Yay, we survived. Let's make a noob.
Di ka lang magtuway kay karabutan tayo.
We will make this one. Nah. And let's make this one. Let's make a hair like this. This one.
Ano, siya ikaw eh. Pag pinamindot ba ikaw makakuhan?
I'm not good anymore. So I'm not good anymore. I'm not good. Yeah, boy. I just recorded this and I will post. Let's prank him. Nah. She like black girl. So let's add some this one. She told me she's gonna go to the market. Let's go. You'll wake up one day.
Kung daw siya na yung kanil mo Facebook eh. So, uninstall. Putro ka na pag uninstall.
Kaya ano?
Hindi rin ako kuwan. Nahihirapan ako.
Nag-reset ka lade.
Facebook like.
I-save ko lang.
Gusto nanay ko putro ka uninstall.
I'm not good anymore. Uh-oh. Bye! That's all! Bye! Unfriend him!